Why are wheels circular?
After the rain, it's all muddy on the ground. Kiki and Quacky found so many little animals' footprints.
Guess whose footprints are these? Observe carefully. These are little kitty's footprints. Let's find the owner of the footprints. A chick's footprints. Huh? Whose long footprints are these? Let's find out.
Kids, let's follow the footprints. Whose footprints are these? Are they from ants or snakes? We can find it as long as we follow the footprints.
These secret footprints belong to the car wheels. Let's take a look. What are the wheels here? Kids, let's find all those wheels. Kids, let's find all those wheels. Kids, let's find all those wheels. Truck wheel. Kids, let's find all those wheels. Truck wheel. Tractor wheel. Bicycle wheel. Cart wheel. Yeah! We have found all the wheel tracks. Do you notice that? These wheels share a same feature. Oh! Ah! They share the same shape.
Kids, what is the shape of the wheel? Draw the shape. Draw the shape of the wheel on the screen.
All the wheels are circle. Why are there only round wheels? It's not creative at all. I want to try. Triangle wheels. Square wheels. Hexagon wheels. They must be better than the round wheels. Kids, do you agree with Quacky? Let's try it.
Kiki and Quacky brought a balance bike to Mr. Moo.
Mr. Moo, Mr. Moo! I want to invent a new wheel. It looks different from all the wheels.
Quacky, you are just bragging.
Please help me with this.
All right, all right.
Let's put on new wheels on Quacky's balance bike.
Let's change it to square wheels. Help assemble the new wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All done, Quacky.
Let's try out the new wheels. Go!
The square wheels barely move. Quacky is working so hard. It's so tiring.
Let's try a different shape. This time we use triangle wheels. Help assemble the new wheels. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Quacky is so tired. The triangle wheels are so hard to ride.
Phew! Phew! It's tiring to ride with triangle and square wheels. I don't want the wheels that tire me out. Maybe we can try different shapes. Hexagon wheels. Help assemble the new wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will work this time. Go!
Hexagon wheels go up and down while riding. Quacky feels so uncomfortable.
My butt hurts. I don't want the wheels to go up and down. Quacky, let's try circle wheels, shall we? All right.
Let's change them to circle wheels for Quacky.
Go!
It's easier to ride with circle wheels. Quacky ride to the finish line so fast.
Yeah! The circle wheels don't tire me out or go up and down. Now I announce that the circle wheel is the best. Kids, do you know why wheels are circular? We just tried triangle, square, hexagon, and circle wheels. Which wheels are easy and fast to ride? Round wheels are easy to ride. Hexagonal wheels too. These wheels are tiring me out. What kind of wheels ride smoothly and doesn't hurt your butt? Riding with hexagonal wheels, I'll bump up and down. Riding with triangular wheels, I'll bump up and down. My butt hurts when I ride with square wheels. It's very smoothly to ride with round wheels. Got it. Circle wheel is energy saving and steady, so we use circle wheels. You're right.
Quacky finally understand why wheels are circular. Kids, do you know why?
Lesson finished. Share the knowledge you just learned with your parents.